know it's Mawchichi. I pulled up, face on a murder, can't face beat, yeah, I came out to hurt them. I got swag, wipe me down. I ain't boosty, but look no further. Nails on fleek, hair on sleek. I'm a shot caller, neat on a bourbon, street on a bourbon. Who that call me Nola? Bring the heat to fashion, we call me Sola.
Hey guys, it's Mawchi here, and today we are going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to complete these beautiful distressed faux locks. This is a quick and simple go-to protective style. It's lightweight, and if you're looking to see your hair grow, this is definitely one of those styles that will promote healthy hair growth. So if you want to see how we achieve this look, stay tuned. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure that our client hair has already been shampooed, conditioned, as well as moisturized. After that stage, you're pretty much just going to plait the hair up into individual plaits. You can use whatever type of parting your client prefers. Also, you want to make sure that you have passion twist hair, which is a curly type of hair. It's much softer than Marley hair. That's the type of hair that you use to give that distressed look. You can get this on Amazon. You can go to the beauty supply store and get it. They pretty much sell passion twist hair everywhere. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and crochet hook the hair into under the braid, and then you would just wrap as you would with a regular faux lock. There's nothing crazy about it, nothing explicitly new. Since the hair is curly itself, it's gonna give you that distressed look. Sometimes what I like to do, if a client prefers it to be really messy, you would just go back over it with another strand of hair just to wrap around it. Sorry, I didn't adjust my camera so that way you could see what I'm doing all the way from the root to the tip of the hair. But you pretty much just twist it up so you don't have to light it, cut it, trim it, or do anything. You just wrap down and then you would wrap up. It's pretty simple, trust me. Anybody can do it. It's not a hard process. I actually love this style because it lasts for a long time. I do not recommend that you keep it in for more than 2 months, really a month and a half, because what happens is your edges start to loosen up, and then we don't want to pop any of our edges, because that's where you start having traction alopecia take place, honestly. So you want to be mindful of that. Make sure that if you can, you want to get it touched up.